Hello, everyone, and welcome back.
This is your English listening practice podcast to help you learn and improve naturally.
Hello, my dear friends. Before I start saying anything, I want to say thank you very much for supporting this channel. Before we start watching podcast episodes, let's quickly see the new words might don't know before. It's crucial to learn words to be fluent your English. Listening to English conversations can be a great way to improve your English language skills. It allows you to hear the language being spoken in a natural and fluid way, which can help you better understand pronunciation, new words, intonation, and the rhythm of the language. Additionally, listening can help you pick up on common phrases and idioms and improve your ability to comprehend and respond to spoken English. So start listening and immerse yourself in the language to improve your English skills.
Substantial means a lot of something, or something that is very important or large. It's a word you use when you want to say that something is big, significant, or meaningful. Examples: he received a substantial amount of money as a gift. Pursue means to follow or go after something you want, like a goal or a dream. It's when you try to achieve something by working hard for it. Example: she wants to pursue a career in medicine. Aspect means a part or feature of something. It's one way of looking at or thinking about something. Synonym: part or feature. Example: one important aspect of a healthy lifestyle is regular exercise.
Hey, Julia. It's been so long since we last met. How have you been, my friend?
Marco, is that really you? It's such a pleasure to see you. I've been doing great. And how about you?
Doing great. How was London? Did you have a good time there?
London was amazing. I had such a great time exploring the city and visiting all the famous landmarks. Just a week ago I arrived here. I was thinking of meeting you. What a coincidence I am seeing you in the park.
Come on. I am a little bit sad with you. You didn't give any call or message.
I am so sorry for that. Actually, I had been going through some problems there.
What kind of problem, may I know?
Well, in the company where I used to work, suddenly they had to close the company. It was a shock for all of us. I'm currently looking for new job opportunities, but it's been quite challenging.
What? Why did the company close?
As far as I know, they were having financial problems. The company had a hard time making enough money and had to spend a lot.
That's too bad. Did they try anything to fix the problem?
Yes, they tried to spend less money, change some contracts, and find new ways to make money. But it didn't help much.
Did they think about getting money from outside or joining with another company?
They thought about that, but they couldn't get the money they needed or find a good company to join with. So, they had to close the company.
Oh. Did you come back from London because of that?
Not exactly. I could have continued applying for jobs in London, but I thought it would take too long. So I decided to come back and think about starting my own business in my home country.
Really? But why? You had a great life there. You had everything you wanted. And having a stable job is more comfortable.
I understand what you're saying. Life in London was really good, and I was comfortable there. But sometimes comfort isn't everything. I felt a strong desire to help my own community, create something important, and take control of my own future. Starting a business allows me to do all of that.
Impressive. What was your salary there?
The salary was pretty good. The average salary for a software engineer is $158,584 per year in London.
That's a substantial amount you were getting there. If I were in your position, I would never come back here.
I understand your perspective. Many individuals are eager to pursue work opportunities abroad due to the potential for growth and new experiences.
Exactly. I know many of my friends who are eager to go abroad and work there.
Yes, I understand that perspective. However, for me, it's not just about the financial aspect. While financial stability is important, I also want to make a positive impact, create something meaningful, and contribute to my community.
Okay. What do you know about business?
Well, I've been doing a lot of research on business models, market analysis, and customer behavior. I've also been reaching out to some local entrepreneurs to gain insights into the practical aspects of running a business. It's been quite an enlightening experience, and I'm eager to put my knowledge into action.
Fine. To start a business, you need to invest a lot of money. Do you know that?
Absolutely, Marco. Starting a business often requires a significant investment. But it's not just about money. There are other essential factors too. For example, having a solid business plan, a clear understanding of the market, and a unique value proposition are all crucial for success.
So, what type of business do you want to start here?
I was considering starting a farming business, but I've had to change my mind. Now I'm thinking of marketing by launching my own marketing agency.
Best wishes for you. Personally, I don't like doing business. It is risky, and the thought of dealing with all the uncertainties makes me anxious. I prefer the stability of a regular job, where I can focus on my tasks without worrying about the fluctuating market or unpredictable situations. I believe in finding a balance between taking risks and ensuring security, and for me, a traditional job offers that balance.
Going for a job is like having your food at restaurants. You choose which food you like, eat, and pay for. On the other hand, business is like you have to cook for yourself and your family. You think every single day about what to cook, what ingredients it's required. Work hard to cook within the time. Ensure you enjoy cooking every single day without any break. And lastly, keep the food taste consistent. And finally, the big task is to make sure your family, means customer, love your food.
What did you mean? Can you explain?
Business is 100 times riskier than a job, and it's 100 times harder too. I know it's risky, but there are more opportunities for growth and success in the long run. Plus, the feeling of building something of your own is incredibly rewarding.
Are your parents in support of this?
They are not fully supporting this, but they are not against it either. My father is also working as a government employee, so he has concerns about it. However, my mother is more open-minded about it and is willing to consider the potential benefits. I wish they were more enthusiastic, but I understand their perspective.
Why did you choose to become a software engineer and move to London instead of pursuing your interest in starting a business?
An interesting twist. Well, Marco, my journey took an unexpected turn. You see, my father had a strong influence on my career path. He insisted that I study software engineering, a field he believed held immense promise. And so I followed his guidance, honed my coding skills, and eventually found myself in London, surrounded by lines of code and coffee-fueled late nights.
Oops, that's really unfortunate. Sometimes parents don't understand what their children want for their careers or dreams.
You're right, Marco. The clash between parental expectations and personal dreams can be both touching and painful.
My parents never forced me to choose a career. They always gave me the freedom to decide for myself.
But they want the best for us, even if it doesn't always seem that way. Unknowingly, they just want to guide us toward making choices that will lead to a successful and fulfilling future.
Let's talk about more job versus business. A job is a more reliable option for financial security, whereas business appears attractive to those willing to take risks.
I already mentioned the answer to this question. Now you tell me something about a job.
A job can't be defined easily. It's best classified as either part-time or full-time work. A job is simply recognized as a responsibility or duty for completing work on time. The job offers you a fixed salary.
While a job may provide a sense of security and stability, a business can offer the potential for greater financial rewards and personal fulfillment. Both options come with their own set of risks and rewards, and the right choice depends on individual circumstances and preferences.
You can get fired from a job and still find work, or you can lose your business overnight, making starting a new business or seeking work a nightmare. In terms of risk, a job is better than a business.
Every time a client pays your company a lot of money, where does that money go? Someone is making that money, and it's probably not you. Instead, you have little control over your fixed salary, no matter how much money you bring in.
Hey Julia, I totally get what you're saying. It's true that when a client pays our company a substantial amount of money, it can feel like we're not directly benefiting from it. The money goes into various areas within the company, such as operational costs, investments, and employee salaries. While we might not see an immediate increase in our own salaries, it does contribute to the overall success and stability of the company, which can eventually have a positive impact on us as employees.
Do you have more points?
Yes, the life of a businessman is far busier and more unpredictable, with stress. Employees enjoy a better quality of life than business owners.
Well, Marco, I can see where you're coming from. Being a business owner definitely comes with its own set of challenges, including long hours, high stress, and unpredictability. However, I think it's important to recognize that both employees and business owners face their own unique stresses. Employees may have a more structured work schedule and may not have to bear the same level of financial risk as business owners. But they often have their own set of pressures and responsibilities within their roles. It's all about finding a balance and understanding the different challenges that each role entails.
Okay, do you have any other points?
As a business owner, there are no limits to how much money you can make or how quickly you can make it. In a job, regardless of how good you are, you will have to wait a certain amount of time to take the next increment. As a result, business is better than a job.
I agree that running a successful business can offer great financial opportunities. However, I also believe that there are pros and cons to both having a business and being employed. While having your own business can provide unlimited earning potential, it also comes with significant risks and uncertainties. On the other hand, a job may offer more stability and benefits such as paid leave, health insurance, and retirement plans. It really depends on individual preferences and goals.
If you want to learn English through listening to podcasts in a cozy and comfortable way, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Our goal is to help you improve your fluency with daily English conversations, natural speech, and practical tips that fit into your everyday life.